Azzam Tamimi is a founder of Institute of Islamic Political Thought. He joins us live now from London for more analysis on this. So we've just demonstrated the map for everybody to see just there, so we can see it. So I was also saying earlier that various members of the international community, they've made their feelings very, very clear. We haven't heard from the US as yet, although they did prior to this make their feelings known. Do you think even so this would make any difference to Israel's strategy?
Well, I think Israel has proven to the entire world that it doesn't care about international institutions, about international law. And Israel has, despite the fact that the West Bank is considered to be illegally occupied by the Israelis, since 1967, when Israel occupied the West Bank together with Sinai, Gaza, and the Golan Heights, has never stopped taking land and building settlements and expanding those settlements and bringing in settlers who take it upon themselves as part of a growing movement to harass the Palestinians, to uproot their olive trees, to burn their crops, to attack them, even kill them. Not only that, more recently, the Israelis have been talking about this openly. They call the West Bank Judea and Samaria. They consider it to be the part of the so-called biblical promise made to them, and therefore I think increasingly they're sending a message out to the Palestinians that there is no future for coexistence. It's either you or us. We eventually cannot be living in this land together.
Azzam, what does that look like, though? If there's not going to be a two-state solution, what does that look like? Because that sounds like a lot more people getting killed.
Unfortunately, yes, this is what it looks like. Initially, when the PLO entered into the Oslo Accords with Israel, the signatories of the Oslo Accords from the Palestinian side thought they would end up with a Palestinian state of some sort. But I think with the death of Yasser Arafat in 2004, ended this completely. And the Palestinians and the Palestinian Authority, which was supposed to develop into a Palestinian state, was instead developed into a collaborating agency, actually helping the Israelis in maintaining the occupation and in curtailing the Palestinians who are resisting the settlement movement. So it is very bleak. It doesn't look good at all.
But Azzam, one idea, one possible scenario is that Donald Trump will come out and completely condemn Benjamin Netanyahu in Israel and the administration there and say, enough is enough. What then?
Well, personally, I doubt that this will happen. Donald Trump represents the evangelical, extreme right-wing American community, which is more supportive of Israel than many Jews around the world. Actually, there is an increasing number of Jews who are opposed to Zionism today, whereas Trump and the camp he represents are extreme Zionists, and he is likely to go into war again with Iran at the behest of the Zionists. This is something that Netanyahu went to Washington especially to urge him to do. So I don't have that. I'm not that optimistic that Trump cares about the Palestinians or cares about a settlement, a just settlement in this part of the world.
Azzam Tamimi, a founder of Institute of Islamic Political Thought. Thank you very much indeed for your analysis from London there. We appreciate that.